If you're a science lover, you'll want to hear this. Why does your hair crackle and snap in the mirror? Let's uncover the electric truth. You stand in front of the mirror, comb in hand. Suddenly, crack. It's not your hair talking. That sound is electricity. Here's what's happening. Everything, your hair, your comb, even you, is made of tiny charged particles called atoms. Most of the time, their charges are balanced, but as you comb, friction steals electrons from your hair. Now your hair is positively charged and the comb is negative, like two mini thunderclouds. The hairs repel each other, building up invisible pressure. When it gets strong enough, electrons leap through the air. That's the spark. And the crackling sound you hear. It's louder in dry winter air because humidity normally helps electricity escape. And don't worry, it's high voltage, but the current is too tiny to hurt you. So that little crackle? It's a reminder. You're witnessing the same forces that shape lightning. Hit like and subscribe for more science wonders.